Are we rolling? Okay, okay. Hello there! So this is Golden Walker chicken and mushroom flavour noodles. Yeah. And I cooked them the way I usually just cook a pot noodle. The side of it was really hot. It's thinner plastic than a normal pot noodle. There is no packet in with these. There's no packet whatsoever. There's a lot more noodles in it than a normal pot noodle, I think. It's very thick. There's not much water in it at all. They're smaller noodles though. They're chopped up a bit smaller. It's a nice smell out of it. Very just chickeny. Bit salty. It's a bit salty, but it's okay. Yeah, just tastes like chicken stock pot. Chicken stock pot. Yeah, they're really nice. I actually bought this in Deals. I think it's like Poundland in England, and they were 3 for £1.50, £1.49. Which was really good because they're nice, and they're a nice snack or lunch, whatever. Yeah, it's really thick. It just goes all the way to the bottom, though. It's really good. See, sorry. Oops. Goes really all the way to the bottom. It's really good. It tastes nice. It's not too salty. Yeah. Yeah. Really good. Would recommend them if you like pot noodles. Yeah. They're a good substitute. Okay, that's it. Bye.